Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can create a text in FreeCAD and create an extrusion of this text, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to click on this new, okay? Then you go to Draft Workbench. Then you click on this command, call it Shape from Text. Then here you're gonna change the default text to, let's say, the savvy engineer. Okay, then for the front file I'm gonna go to zip, then Windows, then to fonts, then I'm gonna go and choose the Arial font and click on open. Then the position of the text will be 0 in X, 0 here, and 0 in Z. Then I'm gonna click on OK. This is the text. This is how it looks like. You can create a pad of this text. All that you need to do here is to switch to the Part Workbench. Then you click on this command, Extrude. And you can create an extrusion of 10 millimeter. Then you click on OK. So this is how you can create a text in FreeCAD, okay?